Hi, thank you for joining. So now we are going to discuss about SQL Developer Tool. SQL Developer Tool will be used for to connect the database, and we will be working like all the queries from SQL Developer Tool. We used to work previously using SQL Plus. It is a command prompt window where you need to write the queries in command prompt window. So for practice purpose, we will be using that SQL Plus. But when it comes to SQL Developer Tool and also one of the important tool like Toad, these are the two important tools we have for real time where companies will use whenever they are using databases, and SQL Developer or Toad will be most important tools. So once you downloaded this file, SQL Developer file from the given link from Drive or some else Oracle, you can say link also, you can as 64-bit version because you need to check your computer like 32 or 64, and after that you will be downloading this file. Then you can extract this file, and you can extract this file into one specific folder. So I created SQL Developer 23 file, or is a folder, and you can extract into this folder. So once you extracted, then first you need to go and verify whether you have database in your system or not. Now go and verify like Scott and Tiger. Yes, it's there. So whenever you have connected, then only it is possible to connect the SQL Developer tool. Otherwise, it won't connect. Okay. So database installation is mandatory before going to do this. So try to understand. It's very simple tool for the real time as well. And this command prompt window is only for practice purpose are using here. So after verify this, then you can go to this folder where you extracted, then click on this. You will be having SQL Developer application is there. So you can click on this. So it will open SQL Developer, Oracle SQL Developer tool. Okay. So you will get like this. Now you need to configure that database. So how we will be configure? You just click on these connections with plus symbol here, and you can give any name whichever you like it. Okay. Now what are the credentials that you have for the database? You can give like Scott and Tiger. Okay. And you can see this is Oracle database related. Express edition is separate, but we are using like Oracle. Okay, Enterprise edition. Express edition is separate, and we have installed Enterprise edition. So you can see this, that is Enterprise edition. XE means Express edition actually. So this is Enterprise edition. While installing we have given ORCL, small letters only, ORCL. Okay. Then if after giving all the details, okay, any name you can take, then test it actually. So if all the credentials are correct, then you will get the status success here. Okay, once you get the status is success, then you can connect it. Okay, so now you have installed Oracle SQL Developer tool to work on it. Now what you will do here, let's see. Now you can write select star from then employee. Okay, so now execute it and you will get all the data here. Okay, so this is how we can able to connect with Oracle SQL Developer tool. So you will get all the details. Okay, directly if you want to connect for the users, and you will get all let's say select star from tab, you can see here all the tables also will be there, right? So these are the tables that we have. Okay, so how we have worked in the SQL plus, like select star from employee. So here the setting is window problem. That's why command prompt window we should just for practice purpose and we will be using. And now we will, after installation, you can happily work on it. Here you can write SQL queries, scripts, we can save it. So lot of things that we can use it here. So same like in the companies also they will install same tool. So you don't need to get any confused in the real time if you work here properly. Okay guys, so this is how we can install Oracle SQL Developer tool. Thank you.